go. We're in a 2019 Subaru Outback. This is the seat Squeak. I've had this car. Started at 12,000 miles. It's now 18,800 miles, and it's still doing it after the bottom seat frame and cushion have been replaced once already, about 1,000 miles in, and it started making the noise again. You can hear the squeaking there. It's pretty loud. Listen to it. So that is the seat Squeak. It is very common. Subaru Outback forums talks about this. There's pages and pages of people complaining about this. So Subaru, when are you going to get this issue resolved? The bushing, apparently the upgraded bushing that you have